Rishi Alambardar Syed Gulzar Sahab, born in 1971 in Shamasabad, Budgam. His father's name is Ghulam Qadir Bhat and mother's name is Rahati Begum. He initially received spiritual training and allegiance at the age of 7 from his Rabbar Camel, Hazrat Syed Khwaja Ghulam Muhammad Bag Nurani Rahmatullah Alayh, who was the maternal uncle of Syed Gulzar Sahab in terms of relationship. He was a practical, pious, Allah-fearing, sincere and knowledgeable person, whose family had been devout and pious for the last 7 generations. Murshid Kamal Hazrat Syed Khwaja Ghulam Muhammad Bag Nurani Rahmatullah Alayh, born in Dadsara, Tral, district Pulwama, passed away on Thursday, 3rd Zikad, 1409, according to the 8th of June 1989. Whose Murshid and father was Hazrat Syed Khwaja Abdul Majid Bag Nurani Rahmatullah Alayh, and his Murshid and father was Syed Khwaja Kud Bag Nurani Rahmatullah Alayh, who belonged to the Qadriya dynasty. Rishi Alambardar Syed Gulzar Sahab continued to worship and meditate continuously for 21 years, after receiving spiritual training at the age of 7 from his Rabbar Camel Hazrat Syed Khwaja Ghulam Muhammad Bag Nurani, by which Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him, blessed him with their grace and mercy. In 1997, he was ordered to train and allegiance the people spiritually. And then he started the movement of Rishism and Sufism for men and women in Kashmir Valley. The purpose of this movement is to invite people to the true religion, with peace, to train them spiritually, to purify the hearts of the people, to settle down there the real love of Allah, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and the Mu'min, to become one, to remove jealousy and hatred, strife and corruption, to hold separate religious gatherings for men and women. Syed Gulzar Sahab has so far spiritually trained millions of people, including men, women, children, young and old. Apart from this, people of other religions also come to him from Kashmir and outside Kashmir for spiritual training. He built Jamia Masjid Khanqa-e-Noor in Nendwanpura, Budgam, the foundation stone of which was laid on 20th Jamadi-ul Awwal 1424 according to the 21st of June 2003, where people still come to him for spiritual training. He built Masjid Khanqa-e-Noor, Sayyidatul Nisa Hazrat Fatima Zehra in Shamasabad, Budgam, the foundation stone of which was laid on Thursday 19th Muharram 1433 according to the 15th of December 2011, and for which his mother has dedicated her land. The construction funds for these mosques are collected by his decibels only, and there is no any other source of income apart from decibels. Rishi Alambardar Syed Gulzar Sahab does not run any seminary or institution, but only peace to the people along with spiritual education and training of Zikr-e-Haq. Syed Gulzar Sahab's main center is at his residence in Shamasabad, district Budgam, where a large number of people, men and women from different parts of Kashmir and also from outside Kashmir come to receive spiritual training of Zikr-e-Haq. He has chosen men as Amir, head for the religious and spiritual training of men. He has chosen women as Amir, head for the religious and spiritual training of women. Syed Gulzar Sahab says that just as the Quranic rules of Kalima, fasting, Zakat, Hajj, difference between halal and haram are obligatory on men, so are the rules of the Quran obligatory on women. Just as the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, guided men and women to the religion of truth and Zikr-e-Haq. In the same way, after Suhabis and the Ahle Bayt, the saints, the Rishis and the Sufis continued this chain of Rabbari, spiritual guidance. And they also educated and trained men and women who visited them. Notable are the great saints and high-ranking saints who brought people closer to Allah and His Messenger, like Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, Rahmatullah Alayh, Sheikh Noor Din Wali, Rahmatullah Alayh, Hazrat Amir Kabir Mir Syed Ali Hamdani, Rahmatullah Alayh, and so on. The chain of Rabbari, spiritual guidance, has been going on for the last 1400 years, just as the saints, Sufis and Rishis were guided by pious rabbis, spiritual leaders, and then trained the people in Zikr-e-Haq. so did Syed Gulzar Sahab, who got trained by Rabbar Camel with Zikr-e-Haq. Then he was commanded to convey this Zikr-e-Haq to the people, which will purify the hearts of the people. Syed Gulzar Sahab says, Rabbari, spiritual guidance, is necessary for both men and women, and only the pious Rabbar, spiritual leader, can train the Sharia, Haqiqat, Tariqat and Marifat, of which the Quran and Hadith are witnesses. History testifies that all saints, Rashis and Sufis got trained by pious Rabbar Kamils, spiritual leaders. For example, the Murshid of Sheikh Syed Abdul Qadir Jilani Rahmatullah Alayh was Hazrat Sheikh Abu Sa'id Mubarak Mukri Rahmatullah Alayh. The Murshid of Hazrat Khwaja Mu'in-Din Chishti Rahmatullah Alayh was Hazrat Khwaja Sheikh Usman Haruni Rahmatullah Alayh. Hazrat Maulana Rumi Rahmatullah Alayh's Murshid was Hazrat Shams Tabrizi, and so on. The main purpose of Rishi Alam Bardar Syed Gulzar Sahab is to purify the hearts of people with Zikr-e-Haq, train them spiritually. To settle down the real love of Almighty Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Muhammad. The Kalima Toibat Zikr-e-Qalbi is an honor for those who practice it. Zikr-e-Qalbi practiced by saints, Safis, Awliyas, and they got succeeded, because they opted for Murshid. Syed Gulzar Sahab says, I have no quarrel with any religion. Whenever any person from any of the religion came to me, I trained them in Zikr-e-Qalbi. I have shown them right way, and I will continue to show it. Follow the command of Allah, the Messenger and the Murshid. The reason for the situations, destructions in the world that are coming at the moment is because of disobedience of Almighty. We have left the root of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Qalbi Zikr. When we start obeying Allah, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Muhammad with Zikr-e-Qalbi, Allah will stop these destructions.